it's creative artly, and honestly, this whole new girl group debut thing for Hybe does have me worried. Because if one of the girls is actually one of these Sasaengs, then Hybe, you're risking one of your other artists by letting this group debut. Like, you sure you really want to do that? Like, if the rumors are actually true? Sure you want to risk one of your, like, biggest moneymakers by introducing a group that could potentially have one of his, Sasaengs in it? Like, that's a move. Not a good move, but this whole SSERAFIM girl group thing is gonna backfire in Hybe's faces, I have a feeling. Like, do they not consult with the members of their other groups before releasing new groups? Like, especially considering how big a stake BTS has in the company, they didn't even decide to double check if this one is one of the girls that was threatening one of their artists before deciding to have her be part of the new group they're about to debut. Like, none of this makes freaking sense. Why is K-pop this confusing? Like, holy crap. Why is K-pop this dang confusing? Holy crap. Well, let's just hope, like, I guess that the rumors aren't true and that my boy keeps himself safe if they are, and yeah. Goodness. This is gonna backfire on Hybe's face, and I just freaking know it. Well, we'll see in a bit, I guess. Oh boy.